Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to use the rest of my nacho meat. I'm gonna make some spaghetti. I know cooking with Doug, he made some taco spaghetti last week. So I guess this will be taco spaghetti also. Here's the nacho meat. Got a lot left. Got some whole grain spaghetti. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. That's still too high. Still too high. There's the skillet. Turn it. And it's kind of late for me to start cooking. Okay, I'll be using, ooh, I shook it. I'll be using chicken broth instead of spaghetti to boil my spaghetti in. It just adds flavor, and I'm going to season this. Let me turn this on. Okay, so I'm going to let this come to a boil. And I had a half a pack of taco seasoning left. That's going in the meat sauce. And let me go get my sauce. I'll be back. Okay. I got some pepper. And some salt. I'm seasoning the broth. And you always need some oil when you boil spaghetti, so this is olive oil. And this is the salsa that I'll be using. Thick and chunky. And I showed you the meat. So I stored my meat. I had some kind of takeout food container. Came in handy. And I let this boil. Then I'll add the spaghetti. Okay, I'll be back. Is that on? Yes. Okay, my spaghetti is cooked. I mean, the spaghetti noodles are cooked. Okay, so now I'm going to put the meat in here. I didn't even have to drain nothing, because I let it cook down, so it got all that chicken broth flavor in the noodles. So put the meat in here. This is a lot of nacho meat. You'll see. I'm gonna have to use the sauce because I like my sauce to be soupy. I'm gonna get every last bit out of here. Take your chunky sauce. Salsa. Oh shoot, I can't. Let me get my grip. So I'm going to open this jar. There you go. And always listen for the top to pot to ensure the freshness. Oh, it smells so good. I'm putting it all in here. It has the bell pepper and the onion and everything already in here. So I'm going to put this on the back of the stove. Turn it back on. Okay. Oh, this is going to be so good. So I guess you can call this a taco spaghetti also. Or nacho spaghetti. I'm going to put some water in this jar. Look at that, nice and meaty. Turn this down while I go get some water for this jar. We'll be back, y'all. Okay. I have filled this with water. Get all this goodness out this jar. I'm gonna get all the goodness out this container where the meat was. No, I ain't trying to waste nothing. Why you peeping? You just got to eating your dinner, man. Walked over here peeping. Don't be peeping at my dinner. Let me throw this away. Make it more soupy. Okay, you ain't gotta eat enough. I like mine soupy.
I like mine Italian.
You ain't Italian.
Yes, I believe.
Talking about he like his Italian stuff.
That's right.
Okay, I'm gonna let this heat all the way through. Let these flavors meld. I'm gonna taste it to see what it needs. Need some salt. Need the Italian brothers. Oh, that's right. I was gonna put this in it. The other half of this taco packet. Now I'm gonna need some more liquid. Let me see if I can work this through here. I have made him some mashed potatoes and pork chop and some leftover rice I had. That's too much starch, man. So he's full. And he don't like all this chunky stuff that's in the salsa. I don't care, I like it. So you ain't got to chop up nothing if you use salsa. And I'm gonna taste it again to see what this needs. Oh, this is yummy, 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 scrumptious. Okay, that's good. That's good. I don't need nothing else but a good letting alone. Let this simmer. And I'm gonna plate it up. I want this to get to boiling, bubbling. So I gotta turn this back up. Okay, I'll be back when I plate up my food. Okay. This is how my nacho meat spaghetti looks. Look at that. Got all the tomatoes and peppers and stuff chopped up in here already because of the salsa. I'm about to dish it up. I think I need a good thumbnail. That's good. Okay, I have dished up my spaghetti in this pretty soup mug by, what's her name? Pioneer Woman found this on sale at Walmart a long time ago. They only had one. I think it was like $4 or something. So I got some shredded Mexican cheese on top. Taste it. I'm tasting it for y'all, but it's piping hot, y'all. I like my spaghettis kind of al dente. I got a meat on here and some spaghettis. Look good, y'all. I don't need to add nothing to it. It's good. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me 2 greasy thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. 7:16 p.m. And I'm just not eating for the first time. I know I shouldn't do it. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.